Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Zuckerberg cancels Lyft contract. Mark Zuckerberg ends oh gosh. Hold up, guys. Meta ends Lyft perk. Oh, it's called Meta ends $200 a month Lyft perk for $76,000 employees as cost cutting continues. So basically, they gave their employees $200 a month Lyft credits to get to work and back if you couldn't take the shuttle.
So they're not doing that anymore?
Yeah, they stopped. So Irvs89 says this was only for trips to and from a Meta office and only when a company shuttle wasn't available. Okay, so I mean, I don't know. What do you think about this?
I mean, if no one was really using it anyways, I guess it's like not a huge deal if what that comment is saying is true.
Yeah.
But I mean, you never really know. It could have affected a lot of people like more negatively.
Yeah, the benefit was $200 a month for Lyft rides to and from any work office, 2 employees told Insider. Oh gosh. Well, whatever. You can't really read this anyway. Teamblind.com. Here we go. $15 million saved a month. Very unlikely. Only a subset of employees would take advantage of it. Yeah, a lot of people are saying that, not a lot of people used it anyway.
Yeah, it's not like every single person used the entire $200 every month.
Yeah.